satellite scan.
TheIrishHux.
Well, I was having a good old time and I smelled some fucking electrical burning. Open the fucking back and this bitch is just pouring fucking smoke. God damn it. Well, it should be on right now and we have no fucking lights. So we'll call Vic and see about warranty, but fuck. Well, like I said, old Bessie here went up in smoke, so we're about to open her up and see what all I broke. Again, it ticks me off because I had good voltage, wasn't clipping, just playing, and then poof. Said I've already got replacement amps ordered. I'm not going to tell you all what they are yet. I'm going to make you wait a little bit. I'm going to have to wait a couple months. They're on pre-order, so we'll be down for a little bit. But it's the life of a basshead. You ain't breaking shit. You ain't doing it right.
Shit. All right. The truthful part coming up.
Well, there's me a fan.
There it is.
Smoked.
Look.
Burnt the whole fucking board up.
Burnt all the fucking fats up. All of them. On that end.
Over there too.
Yeah, man, all that shit's damn. Yeah, that one there got real melted. Right here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this thing's fucking trashed.
Oh, dang. I thought I could fix something. I mean, I can fix it, but...
Yeah, that's the whole board we gotta take out though. Yeah, right there, that bitch is real good and toasty.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
For sale.
Hello,
Somebody
Jesus.
wanna fix it, they can buy it.
Hey.
Hit up the comments.
Blow the brains out the coop. Bully one on top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist out cause she cute. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been a pool. Yeah.
Under the 10, she be showing her titties. There was a time when my name in your mansion. Hard to think fly when your pocket is empty.
Yeah, to me, everybody know that body, your body, anybody like that. Hold on, wait a minute, think about it, that's a billion. I gotta roast you. William, hold on, wait a minute, think about it, that's a Billy. You already know what that is.
Hey, I'm subscribe, motherfuckers.